Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy, say goodbye to dandruff, reveal the secrets of dandruff and how to overcome it naturally, to get rid of dandruff and to get healthy scalp naturally. The first ingredient we need is 1 egg, and crack the egg like so. And separate the egg yolk from the egg whites like so. Now we need to use the egg yolk. Add 1 egg yolk like so. Now add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix very well. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix well all the ingredients like so. Then apply it all over your hair. Apply it on the hair scalp, all over the hair scalp naturally, and my friends, the result will amaze you. This removes the dandruff without any side effects, with very simple ingredients. This is super effective remedy to get rid of dandruff. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, guys. Subscribe my channel. Turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Give that video big like and share it with family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.